Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to challenge you to see what's going on in the world. What are people talking about? Go onto Google, look at trends.google.com, go on Twitter. What is all the buzz about? And do you have a way to insert your expertise into the conversation? That's what I want you to pitch the media today. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like these tips and you want to just get a little bit more, get our free blueprint at captivateandcashin.com/blueprint. And it will help you get some of these ideas, help you with your media and your presence and just really making an impact in the world. So that is this week's tip. I am excited to see your success and to see you in the media.